Hi, hello, my dear friends. I am your Naresh. Today we are going to discuss about the JavaScript. What is important of the JavaScript? Where we are using the JavaScript. So JavaScript is the most popular front-end language and front-end programming language nowadays. You know the Angular and React.js. Angular is a JavaScript framework and React is a JavaScript library. So this is used to we can write some front-end logics. For example, I show the one logic. I want to add a two numbers and I will get the result of the two numbers. So how to implement that logic from JavaScript using JavaScript and HTML. So first of all, I create one JavaScript folder in my system. After that, I run cmd command line, and after code space dot, then it will be open my Visual Studio Code. Yeah, now here I'm creating one index.html page. Index.html page. Then after I took the I will take two inputs. I need two inputs. Input type text, and I want to give one ID input one, and close this input, and I copy this one input one, and I paste it input 2 and change the ID to 2. Then after I take one BR tab of line breaking, you know already, I think in HTML. So first of all, I want to result here, print the result in a span tag. Span, this is HTML element. I give the result ID. Yeah, close this span tag. After that, I want to take one button. When I am clicking on the button, then I will read these two inputs values and calculate that result and print here, right? The purpose I take one button and close the button. After that, I give the one ID, get result, get result. So first of all, I am going to check this output in my browser. So I'm going to my folder. Here I'm saying my file. Yeah, when I double click on it, it will be open in my browser. When I am entering here 10, input 1 10 and input 2 20, then I will get the result here when I clicking on this button. I want to give one button name, button value, get result. Save it, go to the browser and refresh your browser, then it will be an update. So now I'm giving 1 and 2, then get result. It will be not getting the exactly expected result. So that time we are going to, first of all, I am painting my default value some 0, by default 0, my value, result value. So just to go to the browser and refresh here, my by default is value 0, and to enter the value and get result. Yeah, my result, my logic is not working properly. So that's why we are going to write some JavaScript code for this. Take the JavaScript tag, script tag, close the script tag. First of all, I read the button, where button, get result to button. So document dot get element by ID. This is a predefined function. Here giving as my button ID, get the result. Then after button dot, I add one add event listener. This JavaScript function. Type of the event is click event. Then after I take one arrow function, open the body of that arrow function. Inside this arrow function, I read the input one value, where input one equal to document dot get element by id of input one. Our input one id input one, right? So input value, how to get the properties value dot value, then only we are getting the input value input one, as well as copy input one and edit it. Input 2, change the input id, then only we are getting the input 2 value. Then what we are doing, calculate the result, where result equal to input 1 plus input 2. So next I want to print the result in span tag. So first of all I read the span tag, document dot get element by id of get result. Span id is result, right? So next what I'm doing here, this is HTML element span, that's why inner HTML I'm using. So here I append my result. I want to check my output. I'm going to browser, refresh the browser. After that I enter my value 10 and 20. Yeah, now I'm getting 10 plus 20. Actually I'm expected my result is 30, but it's getting 1020. So this is logic is wrong. So because of input value is treat as a string, so that's why I'm converting this value into integer. So we are using one JavaScript function, parseInt. It will be convert string to number. Same thing we are using for input to also, then only it will be convert to number. Now we are going to check in our browser again. I'm refresh my page. I enter 10 and 20. Then after I click on get result button, then I will get the 30 result. So if you want to check your JavaScript code, inspect here and go to the console log and HTML. This is HTML code. Yeah, here we are writing our script code. Yeah, declare the get result variable, and when you are clicking on the button, then we are read the input one, input two, then we are declare one result variable input one plus input two, then we are getting the result. That result is append to the span tag. So that then we are getting the result is 30. So this is the JavaScript logic in our web applications. This kind of way we are using the in web application. We are using the JavaScript. This is important of the JavaScript. So this is my first video of the JavaScript concept. I will add a few more videos. So can you please watch my videos, and I will explain more concept in JavaScript in my next videos. Concepts are JavaScript statements, operators, loops, variables, constant let constant, arithmetic operators, assignments, data types, functions, objects, string methods, array and array methods, and how to declare the methods in right way, and arrow function to ES6 standards following looping function, breaking functionality, type of map sets, type conversation errors, how to debugging, hosting, closure. So this keyword. So many concepts are there in JavaScript. I will explain to you. Can you please watch my videos, next videos? Thank you for watching this video. I am your Naresh signing off. Jai Hind.
If you like my video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe the channel, and please click on the bell icon for next new video notification you will get. Thank you.